Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Rumble, a simple step tutorial. For this, just type Rumble in your browser and you will get the first link. The Rumble is a platform where you can browse many contents. It's like similar to YouTube. You can browse your content, your favorite content. You can just see what's trending right now. You can shop as well, and you can just see what is editor picks basically what the main person who's doing this video, what he or she wants to have a top एकदम exclusive content. So you can see that all of the videos are there. Very controversial videos are also there, very trending topics are also there in the Rumble. You can just see, you can also search for that. For the trending one, you can see that these are videos which are trending right now, like 9.85 k likes, and yeah, all of the things. You can see most recent views, last month's last duration, license, and all of things. For the shop wala thing, you can shop the merchandise from it as well in this Rumble platform. You can see the featured channels as well. You can see the Donald Trump, Barry, and Mike, and all of the things. Also, you can just see the your favorite controversial topics as well. Like there are so many content, podcast hai, gaming, music, entertainment, conspiracies, and all of this. You can have your live, also Rumble Premium. You can get Rumble Premium if you want to have this superstar things you want to watch. And that's it, the video. Thank you so much.